Do you know that you can turn your WhatsApp into a money-making machine? Yes, the same app you use to chat with friends can actually become your online shop. If you live in Ghana or anywhere in Africa and you are looking for a simple way to make money using just your phone, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money using WhatsApp business, even if you are a beginner. First, let's understand WhatsApp business. WhatsApp business is a free app designed for small business owners. It allows you to display your products, talk to customers professionally, and automate your messages. Think of it as your mini online shop right inside WhatsApp. To start making money, you need to set up your WhatsApp business correctly. Here's what you should do. Download WhatsApp business from Play Store or App Store. Add a professional business name. Upload a clear logo or profile picture. Write a simple but clear business description. Add your location and contact details. Make sure your profile looks trustworthy. People buy from people they trust. Now let's talk about what you can sell. You don't need a big shop or warehouse. You can start small. Here are some ideas. Clothes and fashion items, phones and accessories, food and snacks, digital products, ebook courses, beauty products. You can even start by reselling products from others. One powerful feature many people ignore is the WhatsApp catalog. This allows you to display your product with pictures, prices, and descriptions. So instead of sending pictures one by one, customers can just browse your catalog like an online store. Now this is where money comes in, getting customers. Here is how to do it. Share your WhatsApp link on Facebook, promote your products on WhatsApp status daily, join groups and provide value. Don't spam. Ask happy customers to refer others. You can also run small ads if you have budget. When customers message you, how you reply matters. Respond quickly, be polite and professional. Use voice notes if needed. Answer questions clearly. Build trust before asking for payment. Remember, good communications is equal to more sales. Let me give you some bonus tips to grow faster. Use auto replies to save time. Post consistently every day. Offer discount occasionally. Brand your business, logos, colors, and style. Consistency is what turns small sales into big income. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making money with WhatsApp business. You don't need a lot of money to start, just phone, internet, and consistency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Let's make money online starting today. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. And I will see you in my next video.